Hi everyone, have you ever wanted to start learning Mandarin Chinese as a new language? Or are you wondering why I should learn Mandarin Chinese? Are there any advantages to learning it? In this video, I will show you 5 reasons why you should learn Mandarin Chinese. The first reason why you should learn Mandarin is that Mandarin is one of the biggest languages in the world. According to statistics, China still has the largest population in the world and more than 1.4 billion people native to Mandarin Chinese, and which is about 17% of the global population. So, Mandarin Chinese could help you to communicate with all these people. Well, you might say lots of people speak English these days, or there are lots of translation apps and I can use those methods to communicate with them without any problem. Yeah, you're right, you could use this method to communicate with them, but if you speak the person's language to him or her, it already shows you made extra effort to understand their language and their culture. Also, Mandarin Chinese is not only spoken in mainland China, but also in Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, and many Southeastern Asian countries, as well as countries has Chinese immigrations. So, when you travel to those places, it will be very nice to speak their own language, isn't it? The best way to understand Chinese culture and know its history is through the language. About Chinese culture and history, we can talk about art, literature, calligraphy, food, tea, and I can go on and on and on. There's so many of it. But you could have a better understanding only if you know the language. And this is because culture and language, they're always inextricably linked together. Also, currently Chinese films and TV shows, they're all over the world. So, to assess and understand those incredible things, knowing the language will help you so much, so you don't have to rely on those information lost translations, because there are so many things untranslatable. Have you ever thought that Mandarin Chinese could also open so many extra doors for you? Not only when you are traveling, but also for your business, for your career, and many other opportunities. Currently, mainland China is the second largest economy in the world, and is still growing. This economic superpower is affecting the entire world, and even now, there are so many Mandarin-speaking roles in every country. So, learning Mandarin Chinese could also help you to expand your business or for your career change. So don't listen to those who said there are 1.4 billion native speakers, no matter how you learn Mandarin Chinese, you will not speak better than them. It's wasting time. Well, have you ever thought that Mandarin Chinese is your extra language? So it means you have an extra skills. And also, it's a language that's so different to English that makes you a multicultural thinking. And those are the bonus to every company. But maybe now the reason you want to learn Mandarin Chinese is because you want to watch the TV show, or just because you wanted to, or maybe other reason. But it might help you for your business or for career in the future because the demand is increasing. People are saying Mandarin Chinese is so difficult. Well, learning a new language is difficult, no matter it's Spanish or Mandarin. Actually, learning Mandarin Chinese could be much more easier than you think. Subscribe to my channel and I will tell you the secret. However, learning a challenging language like Mandarin trains your brain and keeps it active. Our human brain is so amazing, so when we are learning a difficult language like Mandarin, our brain will grow and reform themselves. Scientists and many pieces of research said this is a property of our brain, which is called this difficult word I have no idea to pronounce. But what it means is our brain has the ability to grow, develop, and change according to new stimuli from our life experiences. So, let me make this short. When you are learning Mandarin Chinese, the learning process will exercise your brain to boost up your cognitive function, the memory, and make you more creative. Learning Mandarin Chinese could also make you think from another aspect. You have to understand that every language is different. The way of thinking, expression, even logic, everything is different. Actually, it is our own native language to form how we speak, express, and the perspective of the world. Because the ideology behind every language is so different. Let me give you an example. This Chinese word, 孝顺, it means to treat your parents well when they are old by not only supporting their living cost, to care their emotions, but also obeying them. The thing is, there is no equivalent in English. You see, to understand such word, if you don't understand the culture and background, you probably will ask why I should obey my parents when they are old. So, learning a new language could help you to think out of the box. And while you communicate with others, you will see things from a different aspect. So, Good luck with your language learning, and I sincerely wish everything goes well. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Or if you would like to know more about learning Mandarin, please click this video. I will see you in next video. Bye!